Hey, Dr. Tabor here, and I wanted to show you guys our three-legged stool of results poster. This is how we make sure patients in our office get the best results possible. So patients who get the best results, they make their adjustments in rhythm. What does that mean? Your body heals in rhythm. Yeah, you could come every once in a while and get an adjustment, and there might be some benefit there, but if you really want to see results, make those adjustments in rhythm. Don't miss your appointments. I want you to be able to get the benefit of each adjustment, and those adjustments each one adds to the next. The next thing is to break bad habits. You know, we all have bad habits. It's staring at our cell phone, looking down, sitting in front of a computer for hours at a time, laying in bad postures on the couch, driving with our arm in the center console. We all have bad habits that build up, and they cause subluxations or misalignments in the spine. Start being conscious of your activities. What are you doing? What's causing those subluxation patterns in your